Welcome to my another video of HTML and CSS beginner series. In my video today, I will tell you of what CSS is and what are types of CSS. In my last video, I had told you about formatting tags, so let's start the video for today. CSS means cascading style sheet. CSS is used to design different types of web pages. As in the video of attribute, we had used style of attribute and had changed its color to red and underlined it. I show you in notepad that we had changed the color of here to red and underlined the text. It is the basically CSS and it can be used in three ways. First one is inline, second one is internal, and the third one is external. There are different methods to design code. Very first type is inline. The style given with HTML tag is called inline CSS. You can give it CSS with any tag in the same way. You notice its result that its color went to red and text got underlined. Now its second type is internal. Now we make coding further neat. If you will make use of CSS along with the tag, then everything will be mixed. We give the complete CSS of the page on the top of the very page in the internal CSS. So I write in HTML comments in head tag so that we may remember that what are we doing. If you have no idea about HTML comment, then watch my previous videos. For this we will write style tag. After this we will tell its type that it is text/CSS. After that we will close style tag. Now we will cut that inline CSS we had given and will remove the style. If I show you after saving the file, the color has been removed. Now I have to tell it that to which tag I am giving CSS. Inline CSS which we have given of h2, so we will write here h2, then we will start curly bracket and then close it. Now we will paste that same CSS in between it and save it. Then the very style will be back. Now its third is external CSS type. Now we make code more neat. This third method is the most used because there should be a separate file of CSS instead to do everything on the same page. Let me write comments. We will use link tag for external CSS. After that we will tell type as we had told in internal CSS. Then we will tell in rel attribute that it is style sheet. Now we will tell that where the external CSS file exists. So here we will make a separate file of style sheet. If you don't know about how to make a new file, then watch my previous videos parts. So let me create a new file for external CSS. I will use notepad for it. Save it and give it the name of style.css. You can give any name. .css is compulsory. Save the file. Now we give style to body tag and give its background color blue. You can give any color of your own choice. Close the bracket and background blue and save the file. Here we give its link and name to this file style.css. When you will refresh it after save, then you can see that background is blue now. I give you a quick overview that first we give CSS with tag, then we cut it and paste it on the top of the page which become internal CSS. After that we created a new file of CSS, gave background to body. You can give white background also, then it will become white. Change the background color, save the file, refresh the page, background is white now. You can see its source code also. External file has been included along with it, and you can see its source also. This was our video today. Hope you liked it. Give your feedback in comments. Next video we will discuss about more CSS. Thanks.